affordable, move-in ready homes ang hanap mo sa Bacoor, Cavite para malapit sa Alabang, Makati at airport. Ito yung marerecommend ko na 3 sulit project para sa First is our Kazaya model. Itong unit na to is the actual unit available kung saan 10% lang ang down payment mo, pwede ka nang makalipat. May 3 bedrooms ka na dito, 2 toilet and bath, provision for a carport, and complete finish na rin for as low as 5.6 million lang. Another option natin is our best-selling Karen Duplex, and ito nga yung literal na lilipatan mo na lang with 4 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 powder room, with 115 square meters sa floor area, 75 na lot area, kaya naman napaka-spacious talaga. On pre-selling pa tayo dito for as low as 7.9 million only, with 12 months DP term lang, kaya mabilis mo lang din malilipat. Last but not the least, our Kathleen Place 5, kung saan 176 lang ang cash out, pwede mo nang malipatan to. Basta approve ka na ng bangko, and this is only 6.2 million, available also for in-house financing. So paano? Connect with our team now for further discussion and for free and exclusive house viewing. See you sa tripping. Paalam!